my handy dandy. Welcome back to Nail Apparel, only on Guru Hub, where nails are the main accessory here. I got a question on Instagram from Urban, and she asked, what's the easiest way to paint straight lines? And I know a lot of people don't have steady hands, so we're gonna get into the best way to do that today. So for today's look, all you're gonna need is 3 different colors, and the most important part to get your straight lines, all you need is striping tape. So always step 1, I'm sure you know by now, to start with your base coat. That's the most important part to make sure your nails stay protected and the polish lasts longer. So once you finish your base coat and your nails are all dry, we're gonna go with our base color. And you wanna make sure you paint 2 really thin coats of this because we need it to dry so we can use the striping tape. So now it's really important to make sure you wait until these are completely dry before you move to the next step. You want to be able to touch them and not smudge them. So you're just going to take your striping tape, if I can find the edge of it, and you're going to cut off a couple of pieces. For each nail, you're going to use 2 for the first color and then 2 for the second color. So we're just going to take our striping tape and we're going to lay it down on our nail in the shape of a triangle. And I really want the center point of the triangle to be right at the tip of the nail. And you want to press it down, but make sure you're not pressing too hard that you don't ruin the polish. And then we're just going to lay our second one down. So now that our tape is on, we're going to go in with our second color. And you don't need a fancy brush or anything like that. We're just going to make sure we don't go outside of the lines here. And you're just filling in the space between the striping tape. Super important again, you want to make sure that your nail polish is super dry before you move on to the next step. So now that our polish is dry, we want to very carefully peel off the tape, and you should be left with a perfectly straight line. So once again, we're going to cut 2 more pieces of striping tape, and we're going to go in and make an even smaller triangle. And then we're just going to take our third color and fill in between the lines again. Oh, I just spit on it. And a quick tip when you're removing the striping tape is to make sure you're pulling it parallel to your nail. Because if you pull it at an angle, you might mess up the polish or you might leave some of the sticky tape behind. So now I'm going to go in with matte top coat. The reason I'm using matte instead of shiny is so that there's no reflection and you really see the design pop. I don't know about you, but I'm obsessed with these nails. So let's go pick out something really edgy to wear with them. They're just so pretty. With all these sharp lines, I really want to find something super edgy to go with them. Okay. Actually, this could work. Thanks again for watching Nail Apparel, only on Guru Hub, and don't forget to message me any of your nail-related questions on Instagram at JulieV37. And I'll see you guys next week where we do a whole nother nail look and a whole new outfit.